So, our work area has been extended now. We actually have a work table, a place for all my tools over here. Those spare filaments and bigger tools that I only need every now and then. Got this large desk here. It's an old work desk from the old hospital. And their own workmen had this. There used to be a clamp thing here, a vise, that's what it's called. There used to be a vise here. It was very dusty when I got it, so I've just removed the dust, and for the next weekend I'm actually gonna sand it down with some sandpaper and give it some linseed oil. So that's gonna be the start now. This is a little project I've been working on. You can see here this it used to be in two parts, and I've just glued them together. You can see the line here from that. So yeah, I'm gonna sand this down. Here it needs to be more rough, and then I'm sanding that rough so I can connect it with these two parts here. They need to be glued first together, and then I can glue it over here. Now, for annoying reasons with my printer, these are like a couple of millimeters off because I hadn't calibrated my printer well enough. I've done that now. A little too late, but I'll fix this using my soldering iron and some spare gray filament. Right. So for now, this is just this one's going to be glued. It's not so interesting. And then it's all the sanding work that's actually the interesting part. And using some brasso afterwards, after the sanding and the wet sanding. And that should make it nice and smooth. And then I have some paint, so we're going to make this into a proper whale shark, which is gray with some white spots. All right.